Hi guys, this is going to be a very quick video. It's my 2-month update. As of yesterday, May 4th, it was exactly 2 months to the date that I got my locks installed. I haven't seen anything really different about my locks. They look like maybe I have a little bit more body. And I don't know what that means. If anyone can see any difference in my hair from my other videos, please let me know. Sometimes I have these little things hanging that'll hang on the end of it. And what I'll do is just put it up. I'm not pulling anything off of my hair. I'm letting it stay there. I had a very good appointment with my consultant for my first retie. I can say that I was expecting to have a lot of itching or flaking on my scalp, and I have not experienced that at all. Maybe it's because I wash my hair like almost every week or at least every 8 to 10 days. I did proceed to count my locks, and I have at least 470 locks in my hair. I thought that was quite amazing. I may have missed a few, but it's at least 470 locks in my hair. I haven't had any issues that I can complain about. Everything has been going quite well. I've been banding my hair when I shampoo it. I've been using the Sisterloc starter shampoo, and I still have a little. What I have done is I mixed this in water in a spray bottle. I'm going to get that bottle for you right now. This is the bottle I use, and I saturate my hair with this after I have saturated my hair with water. I wash my hair each time at least twice, and I rinse it for a humongous amount of time to make sure that I don't have any buildup or anything left in my hair. If you have questions for me, or if you have any advice for me, please leave it in the comments below. I must say that right now, this sister still loves her locks. I will continue to document my journey with my Sisterlocks, and I wish that you will continue to follow me. If you are watching my video for the first time, if you are watching one of my videos for the first time, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for those who are following me. I really appreciate it. Have a good evening.